Christy, thank you. The COVID-19 surge is not slowing down. More than 2,000 new cases reported in our state and 48 more deaths. The governor warns the darkest days are still ahead, and now is not the time to let our guard down. This morning, Baltimore Mayor-elect Brandon Scott is in quarantine after learning he was possibly exposed to COVID just days ahead of his inauguration. WJZ is live. Annie Rose Ramos has more details. Annie Rose?
Hey, Lynn, good morning. Well, Brandon Scott says he isn't feeling any symptoms as of right now, but is following the guidance of the city's health commissioner out of an abundance of caution and will quarantine for as long as necessary.
Just days before his inauguration, on Thursday, Mayor-elect Brandon Scott announced he's in quarantine for possible COVID-19 exposure since he was notified last Saturday.
Since then have tested negative on two separate occasions.
Scott says he's working from home and experiencing no symptoms.
I'm fine. I'm feeling great.
He hopes this serves as a reminder for everyone to act vigilant.
I think this is something that is critical for folks to understand, that we have to follow public health advice.
In the past 24 hours, 48 people have died in Maryland, the most deaths recorded in a single day in months. Among those victims, a 45-year veteran Department of Public Works supervisor, Charles Johnson, who worked at the Patapsco wastewater treatment plant. He spent the last 2 weeks in the ICU. Maryland continues to see its coronavirus positivity rate climb, now reaching 7.68% on Thursday. Hospitalizations dropped slightly, but the number of people in the ICU is at the highest level since June.
Sadly, this is the darkest days are yet ahead. And
Governor Larry Hogan addressed the sobering statistics on ABC's Good Morning America.
The worst part of this virus is still coming in the weeks and maybe the month or two to come.
If approved by the FDA, officials say the initial delivery of the COVID-19 vaccine should come to Maryland in mid-December. But the governor says it will not be enough to cover the 300,000 frontline healthcare workers in the state right away.
We're just asking for patience. The good news is the cavalry is on the way. There is a light at the end of the tunnel.
And Tim, Brandon Scott says that if he doesn't have any symptoms, he can come out of quarantine as soon as tomorrow. Now, his inauguration is scheduled for Tuesday, and that will go on as planned as of now. Reporting live from City Hall, I'm Annie Rose Ramos for WJZ.